This how-to video is going to go over how you can create a new user group. So a new set of permissions for users. For this one, I'm going to go with all we want to allow them to do is to select or run reports, right? So basically the first step would be from your welcome screen, you're going to go here to your VT3000 core software. And from the core software, we want to be in user groups under administration. So we can select that here, or administration user groups. So these are the ones that I have now. So this is an admin group, which basically gives whoever I assign to that permission for everything. And then view only essentially only allows them to view everything. It doesn't allow them to do anything else. So if we take a look at what that looks like, as you can see, here's the core software and it's got all the permissions. As you can see, everything is checkmarked. So if I don't want them to be allowed to do something, I uncheck it. So this would say that they can't do a backup on the system, they can't restore it, they can't start or stop any of the services. So that'd be I just denied those permissions. Just going to discard and exit this, and we're going to add a new one. So when you add a new one, it by default kind of selects that they can view stuff because you don't want it to have absolutely nothing in it. So since I don't want them to do that, I'm looking for them to only be able to use stuff in my reporting software, right? So that's this one right here. So essentially this is already allowing them to run a report and then they can see everything else. But I'm going to say that I want them to be able to run automated reports, real-time reports, save reports, and I'm going to let them upload new templates. So then I would also need to check here, just uncheck those, make sure there's no more permissions. Save these. All right, so core, there's nothing selected. VRS, they're allowed to run reports. They can see the definition groups. They can see all these types of reports and they can run all of those. And then they can also upload the templates. It's kind of what I've made this. And then we don't have anything selected in virtual panels, nothing in AMS, nothing connectivity. So I'll just give it a group name. So say reports only. And I'm going to hit save and exit. And now I have my reports only group that I can then assign to the users that I only want to be able to run reports. That will take care of this video on how to set up user groups. I look forward to talking to you again.